Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add memes to your videos in Capcut. All you have to do is go on TikTok, find green screen things. Here we're gonna select our desired meme.
Oh really?
For example this one, we're gonna copy link. We're gonna go on our selected browser, search TikTok downloader, go on snaptik.app, insert the link you copied, download it. Okay, now open up Capcut, new project. We're gonna select our desired video, which will be this one. Okay, here we're gonna click on overlay, add our green screen meme, like that. And here we're gonna find the cutout, and we're gonna select chroma key, and we're gonna pick the green color over here. Write that and select the intensity until it's good. Write this, and here you're gonna resize it. Let's play it up.
Oh really?
And this is how you can add memes to your videos in Capcut. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.